Feeling lost in the world of diets? Did you know that over 45 million Americans try to diet each year, but sadly, most don't achieve lasting results? Let's get to the heart of why this happens and explore some effective strategies. It's no secret that many people struggle to lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle. The sheer number of diet options can be completely overwhelming. Today, we're going to cut through the noise and focus on two popular and often talked about weight loss approaches: the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting. We'll uncover the fundamental principles behind each, helping you understand which one might be a better fit for you. Let's start with the keto diet. The primary goal here is to dramatically reduce your intake of carbohydrates. When you significantly limit carbs, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body shifts its primary fuel source from glucose, derived from carbohydrates, to ketones, which are produced from the breakdown of fat. This means your body becomes highly efficient at burning fat for energy. This can lead to weight loss for some individuals. Now let's explore the benefits of the keto diet. One of the primary advantages is the potential for rapid weight loss, especially in the initial stages. This can be highly motivating for individuals looking to see quick results. Additionally, many people report improved mental clarity and focus when in ketosis. The diet can also help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Now let's delve into intermittent fasting. Unlike keto, intermittent fasting doesn't dictate what you eat as strictly, but rather when you eat. It involves cycling between periods of eating and voluntary fasting on a regular schedule. There are various approaches to intermittent fasting. The 16-8 method is popular, where you might eat within an 8-hour window each day and fast for the remaining 16 hours. Other methods include the 5-2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days of the week and significantly restrict calories on 2 non-consecutive days, and alternate day fasting. The idea behind intermittent fasting is that it can affect your eating patterns and how your body responds to hunger, potentially leading to reduced overall calorie intake and improved metabolic health. If you're finding this explanation helpful, please take a moment to hit the like button. It really supports our channel and helps us share this information with more people. And if you want to stay in the loop with more insightful videos on nutrition and fitness, don't forget to subscribe. Now for the crucial question: which of these strategies is more effective for weight loss? Recent studies have directly compared the outcomes of the keto diet and intermittent fasting. While the specific results can vary depending on the study design and the individuals involved, these comparisons offer key insights into how these two approaches stack up. Some studies might highlight the rapid initial weight loss often seen with keto due to water loss and the metabolic shift. Others might emphasize the sustainability and flexibility that some individuals find with intermittent fasting, leading to long-term adherence. It's important to note that no single diet is universally superior, and individual responses can vary significantly. So, how do you choose between keto and intermittent fasting? The most important factor to consider is your individual preferences and lifestyle. Which approach feels more manageable and sustainable for you in the long run? Do you thrive on structured meal plans with specific food restrictions, or do you prefer more flexibility in what you eat but with defined eating windows? Think about your daily routine, your social life, and your relationship with food. Consider the pros and cons of each diet. For example, keto might be effective for rapid weight loss, but can be restrictive and may have initial side effects for some. Intermittent fasting might offer flexibility, but requires discipline during fasting periods. To summarize, both the keto diet and intermittent fasting are popular strategies people use to lose weight. Keto focuses on altering your metabolism through a very low-carb, high-fat intake, while intermittent fasting focuses on the timing of your meals. Recent research offers valuable comparisons, but ultimately, the most effective approach is the one you can stick with consistently, and that aligns with your personal preferences and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. We hope this breakdown has given you a clearer understanding of keto and intermittent fasting. We'd love to hear about your experiences, so please share your thoughts and questions in the comments below.